Frustrated with a stuck transaction eating up your Solana? Let's take charge and learn how to potentially cancel or speed up that pending transaction in your Phantom wallet. First, open your Phantom wallet and identify the pending transaction you want to address. It will usually be marked with a pending status underneath the transaction details. Tap on this transaction to view more details. Next, look for the transaction signature, sometimes labeled as transaction ID. This is a long string of characters identifying your transaction on the Solana blockchain. Copy this signature. You'll need it to potentially override the transaction. Now go back to the main wallet screen and tap on the settings icon in the settings menu. Look for an advanced option and tap it. This section lets you customize the transaction parameters. Inside the advanced settings, you may see an option to customize transaction priority or replace by fee. Enable this feature. This option allows you to send a new transaction with the same information, but with a higher fee or priority. Go back and create a new transaction sending the same amount and to the same address as the pending transaction this time. Manually increase the network fee or gas fee slightly when prompted. This tells the Solana network to prioritize this transaction over the original pending one. Review the details carefully, paying special attention to the increased fee. Confirm the transaction. The Solana network will process the transaction with the higher fee first. If successful, the original transaction should be dropped. But be aware you might end up paying for both if the original goes through. So carefully consider the cost before proceeding.